What up, everybody? This is a MoPro coming at you, and I'm coming at you live from Denton, Texas. Well, tomorrow we're gonna get up, and I'm gonna make a run and search for the Gas Monkey Garage to see if I can find it. I heard it's over in Dallas, Texas, which is probably like 30 minutes from where I'm at right now that I see. So when I get up tomorrow, I'm gonna make that run. And we're gonna see if we can find Gas Monkey Garage. Alright then, peace. What up, everybody? This is a MoPro coming at you once again, and we live here at the Gas Monkey Garage. We found this bad baby out here, so we figured we would go ahead and check it out if we can. So, excuse my voice, because my voice is totally gone right now from all the hooping and hollering and yelling at the Gas Monkey Bar and Grill. So let's go see what they got here. Well, I'm live here, and no Richard, but it's okay. We're still enjoying all the different Gas Monkey items that they have. We had already been into the merchandise store, picked me up a t-shirt, of course, got to do that. And then, you know, we had a couple of fly trucks that came through here already doing a thing. So we out here, MoPro made it out here just to the shop just so he can see what Gas Monkey was all about, which is still one of my favorite shows. So, MoPro coming at you once again. Peace! Yeah. Well, what we thought was, since we was visiting Gas Monkey Garage, we might as well go out there and see what's up with Fired Up Garage. So, I came over to the destination, so, where'd he go? Where did they go? No more Fired Up Garage? Did Richard kick them to the curb? I don't know. But they're no longer here. Unless they done ran off to a bigger shop that I don't know about. So we'll see. Where you at, Fired Up Garage? Where you at?